Watch me make this cup. This is a 16-ounce glitter globe from the Stainless Depot. It has 2 stoppers that come with it. Then I'm going to wrap that with a UV wrap from Gracefully Created. I'm going to make sure it's lined up real good. Then I'm going to peel it back a little bit, trim the backing, stick it on there, and then wrap it all the way around, pushing pretty carefully to make sure it's stuck on there real good. Then I'm going to peel the laminating film off of it, and it should be good to go. After I get that off, I'm going to go in with the suspension levitation solution from the Adhesive Apothecary. This is my first time using this and I love it. So then I'm going to put in some Moonlight glitter from Creative Studio. I made a mess with the glitter, so you'll see me going in there with the suspension fluid in a syringe. Then I'm going to alternate with Gumdrop from Creative Studio. And I'm going to put a little more fluid in there again with the syringe. Then I'm going to go in with Bougie from Creative Studio. I'm going to alternate with a little bit more glitter and a little bit more solution, trying to keep the top as clean as possible, but I'm messy and I'm working on it. So once it is all filled up, I'm going to shake it, look for bubbles to see if there's enough of a bubble, but not too much of a bubble. Drop in a little more glitter and a little more solution. And clean it off real good. I'm going to top it off with some levitation solution. Then I'm going to try to suck the bubble out of there, creating kind of a vacuum to suck it in so that it has just the right amount of flow. I'm going to put in that bumper, and then I'm going to seal it with some UV resin. When that's sealed, I'm going to put this 3M bumper on the bottom of it so that it sits nicely on my desk when I use it. I'm going to give it a shake, and this is how she looks.